Hey everyone, welcome back to Information House. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of RC drift cars, and I've got the top 5 best RC drift cars of 2025 lined up just for you. Whether you're a beginner looking to start drifting or a seasoned pro chasing those perfect slides, these models have something for everyone. Stick around until the end because we'll cover their features, speed, handling, and overall performance so you can pick the perfect car for your next drift session. And don't worry, I've included all the product links in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. 5. Fisker 400 RC. Experience the thrill of high-speed racing with our four-wheel drive RC car. Equipped with a powerful 4-rod system and strong motors, this car can reach speeds up to 20 mph, 30 plus kilometers per hour, delivering an exhilarating racing experience. The 2.4 GHz remote control ensures long-range operation up to 160 feet with excellent anti-jamming performance, allowing multiple cars to race together without interference. With proportional throttle and steering control, you can fine-tune your speed and direction for maximum precision and fun. Built from high-quality plastic and metal components and featuring durable rubber tires, this car is designed to withstand impacts while maintaining stability with independent suspension and an advanced electronic stability program. It comes with 2 sets of tires for both outdoor rallying and indoor drifting, plus overcharge and overcurrent protection to keep your battery safe. With a 7.4-volt, 1200 mAh battery, enjoy up to 20 minutes of non-stop action, making it the perfect gift for kids and RC enthusiasts alike. 4. Crowball XTS F10LC. Experience the thrill of speed and precision with this brushless RC rally car. Powered by a 68 ESC and a high-performance 3650 3300 kV motor. Both featuring cooling fans and metal heat sinks, this beast can hit exhilarating speeds of up to 80 km/h on its included 3S 2200 mAh battery. Designed for ultimate performance and customization, it boasts a dual ESC tray, dual receiver box, and standard-sized servo compatibility. Its 1.2mm PC clipless body with reinforced side clips ensures a secure fit, even at top speeds, while the improved sealed center differential and vibration-absorbing drive shaft couplings protect the transmission and reduce noise. The upgraded 5-channel transmitter with a built-in gyro extends control up to 350 meters, making drifting smoother and straight-line driving more stable. With chrome steel helical gears for higher torque, reduced noise, and a comprehensive lighting system, including exhaust backfire, front and rear lights, spoilers, and realistic detailing, this RC car delivers the ultimate adult racing experience. Number 3. HyperGo H16BM. Unleash the ultimate RC monster truck experience with our brushless Hobby 2845 4200 kV high-torque motor featuring a 4-pole design, metal heatsink, and cooling fans for peak performance. The independent receiver and 45A ESC make this truck highly upgradable and full of potential. Built for durability, the metal gears and differential deliver perfect 4-bob-a-deed power distribution, while 16 smooth ball bearings minimize power loss for seamless driving. Crafted from innovative honeycomb chassis material, reinforced with zinc metal sheets and adjustable pull rods, this truck can handle the toughest impacts with ease. With oil-filled absorbers and sponge-inserted tires, it stays stable over jumps, wheelies, and flips. Powered by a 2S 7.4-volt 1050 mAh LiPo battery, it hits speeds of 27 plus miles per hour, 45 kph, while a 3S LiPo setup can push it to 42 plus per hour, 68 kph. Featuring a 2.4 GHz 3-channel transmitter with light bar control and throttle limit for beginners, this monster truck is perfect for both thrill seekers and RC enthusiasts looking for power, precision, and pure adrenaline. 2. 3 King RC Stunt Car. Get ready for non-stop fun with the RC Stunt Car. Not just any remote control car, this stunt machine can flip, roll, and drive on both sides, effortlessly overcoming small obstacles and keeping the excitement going without worrying about rollovers. Perfect for kids ages 6 to 12, it delivers thrilling stunts and endless entertainment. With vibrant breathing headlamps, soft eye-protecting lights, and automatic color-changing effects, it adds a splash of color to every play session, while multiple color options let every child choose their favorite. Powered by high-performance electric motors and durable, shock-absorbing tires, this car is built for explosive speed, strong grip, and unstoppable adventure, indoors or outdoors. Easy to play with a one-click demo and single-side joystick control, it's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Built to last with premium ABS plastic, sturdy motors, and reinforced screws, it guarantees long-term fun, backed by our responsive support team. Plus, race up to 6 cars at once with the 2.4 GHz dual joystick controller and enjoy a range of up to 160 feet without interference. Action, excitement, and colorful stunts await. Are you ready to take the ride? 1. Quanreda Q1. Get ready to supercharge your child's playtime with the latest upgraded Quanreda RC stunt car. Featuring 2 detachable 500 mAh lithium battery modules, each providing up to 25 minutes of nonstop action, kids can quickly swap batteries and double the fun to 50 minutes with our tool-free quick swap design. Charging is a breeze with the Type-C interface, compatible with everyday devices for fast and hassle-free power-ups. Your little racer can master 9 exciting stunts, including 360-degree flips and multi-directional spins, thanks to the easy 2-button controller and 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology for smooth long-distance control up to 50 meters. Built to conquer any terrain, the car boasts durable all-terrain tires, shock-absorbing ABS construction, and red-eye LED headlights for fearless indoor and outdoor adventures. Perfect for solo play or friendly races, this RC car enhances coordination, problem-solving skills, and active fun. The complete set includes the RC car, remote, 2 modular batteries, USB-C cable, AA batteries, and a screwdriver, all backed by a 24-month warranty, making it the ultimate gift for kids ages 6 to 12 for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. Instant adventure awaits. Unbox it and let the stunts begin. All right, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best RC drift cars for 2025. Whether you're a beginner just getting into RC drifting or a seasoned pro looking for your next upgrade, these picks have something for everyone. If you want to check out any of these cars, I've included all the product links in the description below, so you can grab them directly and start drifting today. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our RC reviews. See you in the next one, and happy drifting.